Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the new food ordering system that we're launching. It's live and ready to go, and we're going to look at both the customer experience and the admin experience. So I've added this feature into a button on an existing app. When I click on it, you can see the new UI. It is a lot more updated, you can say. Very, very nice, sleek UI. All of you can have featured items in your foods here. You've got the different categories that can scroll horizontally left to right. I can click on a category and it takes me right to the category. I can come back and click on the main category. So this is really cool. And when you click on an item, you can see the actual image. You've got a little description there. And then we've got something new that we didn't have in our old system. We've got now required choices for extras and toppings, or optional. This one's got required for each one of these things, so I've got to select one or the other, as you can see. And I am selecting one additional topping here. I'm going to hit add to my order at the bottom. Oops. Add to order. Now this has gone into my cart. You can see the view cart message at the bottom there. I can continue shopping here if I want. I can add more items. Let's add that. Let's put this. Add it to my items. So now I've got 2 items in my cart. As you can see, when I click the view cart button, it shows me my cart. I'm able to check out right from here. Cool. Let's go. So we've got the options now of pickup and or delivery. I'm going to go pick up and select the location. I'll do the test location that we've got set up here, and you can add special instructions if you want. Hit the continue button. You also see a little summary of your cart back here at the bottom of the screen. Hit continue. You are able to apply any promos if you've got. Actually, I'll show you on this side over here. We also have the rewards integrated with this. So I'm going to add something here. I'm just going to check out quickly. Okay. Pick up. This is in the Android device. Check out. You can see on this side over here, we've got the use rewards, because I've actually got rewards in this account on the left-hand side. Okay, but I don't have any rewards over here. And then you can redeem those rewards on checkout. All right, so let me finish this transaction. I'm not going to use anything here. All my information is there. I will select payment method of cash. Hit done and continue. Confirm. And that's it. So now the order will come in push notification form onto the admin's device. My push notifications, this is not working at this time, but we're finishing that up now. When I click on the order screen here, you will see all of the orders that you've got in the queue. Okay. And right from here, you're going to be able to confirm it, see the order details. If I click this, I can see it's picked up. This is the location it's coming up, the date, the time, the customer number, their email, their contact, their phone number, how they paid, and any specific notes. This is the notes. And then here's the item information of the order details. Okay, and from here, I can click confirm and go to this screen and select how long it will take me as the kitchen to prepare the item. I can say it's going to be ready in an hour. If I have any notes, I can put my notes here, hit confirm, and that's it. The customer will now be notified of the order. Okay, that's the look from both the front end and from the user perspective as well as the admin perspective. Now we'll take a quick look at the back office. So you can see a little snapshot of what's going on, your latest delivery orders, your latest pickup orders. You can click on the View All button and it will give you a list of all of your orders. These are the orders I was just playing with right now and testing. You can see that right there. Going back to my dashboard, you'll see the total orders that have been placed, your locations, what's working, who's open, who's not. And then you've got your order screen here again, like we looked at. You've got your client information over here. And then you've got your menu over here. So we've got products that you can always start adding products. Entering a name, choosing a category, whatever category it is. If you've got a grouping that you want to do, we've got groupings and extras in here now. I'm going to explain the groupings to you in a second. You can do that as well. You can upload an image if it's a featured product, yes or no. And if there's got sizes, you would pick slide this to yes as well. Enter your description, and away you go. So that's the product list. And the nice thing we've added is an import button. So you are now able to import via an Excel sheet. If you've built a menu, if you've got a franchise that got 20 locations, you don't want to be entering a menu 20 different times. So we built an import button here. Okay. Let's look at the categories. Pretty straightforward. You can have different types of categories. This is how you group your foods. You can have pizzas, pasta, chicken, all that kind of stuff. It's really up to you how you group your categories together. If there is a packing fee or like a fee for any I guess it's an admin fee you want to call it, but we're calling it a packing fee. You want to add, for example, pizzas. We need a $2 fee for all pizzas or whatever. You can do that here as well. We've got groups. Actually, let me go to extras first. Extras are, everyone's familiar with that. You got a pizza, you want cheese, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, whatever you want, extra cheese. All that kind of stuff can be put in the extra section. And what the groups do is allows you to create different types of ways to group all of your extras together. So let's say you're a sub shop and you need bread. Bread is a category, right? It's a group actually. We need to know what kind of bread we need to use in order to complete your order. So we can't even start the order unless you select bread. You can have white, whole wheat, rye, whatever different types of bread you guys offer. So we've created a group with bread, and then over here, when we come into the menu, go to the products, and let's just pick one. So I'll pick this one. If I click the group bread, I can now start picking different types of bread, like white bread. Let's stick to this whole wheat. So you can see now in bread, I'll have two options to pick from, and this is a group that bread, you can make it either required or optional. And I'll go back to the groups here and check on bread. And you can see bread. When I click on it, bread is a required group, so I can change that if I need to. If it's optional, it's like your pizza toppings, it can be optional. Okay. So that's essentially a quick overview. You've got your locations, same kind of flow and understanding as the old system. You've got the ability to see reporting, filter by your location, by date range, see your top products, your categories, and then see what kind of revenue you've done in all those. You've got a settings area here. This is a really cool thing too. So we've got different payment options here. So these are the payment things that are integrated already with the platform: PayPal, Cash, Authorize.net, Express PayPal, 2CO Checkout, Stripe, Ideal Mobile, Skrill, WorldPay, and Braintree. So these are already things that are working in the system. All you got to do is click one and turn it on, and then put your label. You can call it what you want, Express or what. If you want to test it, you can have it in test mode, and you put your credentials in there. So it works like that for all of your all the payments. There's a lot more available now than we had before in the old system. Okay, so those are payments. You've got where are we here? Orders. This is the order information. If you want to have a minimum amount for orders, if you got a tax rate, you want to add taxes. Again, all these things are pretty straightforward. I'm not going to go through every single thing, but you have a good understanding of what's going on in the back office. That's it. A quick overview of the new Fluorine system. Really excited about it. Really cool framework. New updated UI. I'm really excited, and hope you guys are too. Thanks.